Have a look what we are going to study this week. Fuel feed system in IC engine. Gravity feed system. Force feed system. Main parts: fuel pumps, mechanical and electrical feed pumps. Knowledge about function, working and types of carburetor. Diesel fuel systems. Descriptions and function of diesel fuel injection. Fuel characteristics, concept of quiet diesel technology and clean diesel technology. There are three types of fuel feed system: gravity feed system, vacuum feed system, force feed system. Gravity feed system. In this system, the fuel tank is kept at a higher level than the carburetor. The fuel flows to the carburetor by its own gravity. This system is used in motorcycles, scooters, and stationary engines. Vacuum feed system. In this system, the fuel tank is placed below the level of the carburetor. The fuel from the tank is sucked by a separate unit with the assistance of the inlet manifold vacuum. Force feed system. In this system, the fuel tank is placed at a distance and also below the level of the carburetor. A fuel pump is used to pump the fuel from the tank to the carburetor. It is used in almost all the vehicles except two-wheelers. Layout of the fuel feed system. The fuel from the tank is pumped to the carburetor by the fuel pump through the fuel filter. In fuel pipes connecting between tank and pump are called suction pipe. There are two types of fuel feed pumps: mechanical type feed pump, electrical type feed pump. Mechanical feed pump. A mechanical pump is mounted on the engine and is operated by a camshaft. This pump consists of an air chamber divided in the center by a flexible diaphragm. Electrical feed pump. A battery operated feed pump can be mounted at any convenient position. These are of two types: diaphragm type, below type. Principle of carburation. During the suction stroke, air is drawn through the air cleaner and it passes through the air horn. A discharge tube is connected between the air horn and the fuel below bowl. When the air passes through the air horn, it creates a vacuum at the tip of the discharge tube and sucks fuel from the fuel bowl. An air bleed is provided on the jet tube, which helps in breaking the fuel particles into very fine particles. This is known as atomizing. The fuel and air mixture is then sucked into the cylinder. This process of breaking up fuel and mixing it with air is called carburation. Carburetors are divided into two types: constant choke, constant vacuum. Then they are classified as stated below as per draft: updraft carburetor, downdraft carburetor, horizontal carburetor. Classified as per Venturi arrangement: single Venturi, double Venturi, triple Venturi, multi Venturi. Functions of a carburetor: atomize fuel into small droplets, vaporize the small droplets of fuel and mix it with air to make a homogeneous air fuel mixture. Supply fuel to the engine continuously in the required quantity according to load, RPM, etc. Diesel fuel systems. Fuel system must fulfill the following requirement: measure the correct quantity of fuel injected, control the rate of fuel injection, fully atomize the fuel. Specification and characteristics of fuel: octane number, volatility, viscosity, sulfur content. Diesel fuel. Diesel engine fuel is a highly refined distillate fuel obtained from fractional distillation of crude oils. There are light, medium, and heavy diesel fuel available in the market, which are used as per the recommendation of engine manufacturers. Concept of quiet diesel technology. Technology of quieter, smoother diesel. The combustion pressure is diesel engine cylinder rises instantly, and the maximum pressure is extremely high compared with a petrol engine. Because of the differences in the combustion method, as a result, diesel engine generally produce more noise, vibration, and harshness than petrol engines, and this is a major complaint among diesel users. Pilot injection system to reduce combustion pressure. The fuel pressure rise controlled by smoothing the combustion process by pilot injection, a method in which a small amount of fuel is injected and ignited just before the main fuel injection process. This is known as pilot injection control process. Increase rigidity of engine structure. The maximum cylinder pressure in diesel engine is considered by a high, and the pressure rise during combustion is very rapid, causing the engine vibration and noise. Also, diesel engine components such as the piston are solidly built in order to endure the high pressure and pressure increase ratio. Clean diesel is a new generation of diesel made up of a three-part system: highly efficient diesel engine, ultra low sulfur diesel, advanced emission control. Advanced engines, cleaner diesel fuels affecting combustion control. Thanks for learning with us.